In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Volrix MCP with AntiGravity. So AntiGravity is an IDE which is provided by Google. And if you have a Gemini Pro subscription, either with Geo or directly bought, you can use that IDE directly. So it will cost you less and you will be able to leverage Volrix MCP with AntiGravity. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to log in into the Volrix account, and here under connect your clients, we have added a new section for anti-gravity. So if you don't have anti-gravity already downloaded, you can download it from here and set it up instantly. So if you already have that downloaded, then let's open anti-gravity. And here under the agent section, there is a three dot button. We need to click here and click on MCP servers. So under MCP servers, you will see a section called as manage MCP servers. So click on that and you will get a screen showing that no MCP servers are connected. And then we can click on this view raw config file, which opens the MCP config JSON. And over here, we need to paste this in that file, and we'll paste it here. So you can see that we have now added the Volrix and the Volrix MCP URL. So now we'll save this and go back to the manage MCP and click on refresh. So after refreshing, we can see that the Volrix has been added here. So to authenticate that, we can either just directly click authenticate and this settings button will pop up. If the settings button doesn't pop up for you directly, you can just click on command comma and this and then the settings will open. Then you have to go to customizations and then click on authenticate. So after clicking on authenticate, the Volrix authentication will open up. We just need to click on sign in with Google and select the account that we have logged in with in Volrix. And once we do that, we'll get this token from anti-gravity. So we just need to copy this token, go back into the IDE and then paste the token here and then click on submit. So after submitting, you can see that we have signed in, and we can close this and we can click on refresh, and you can see that like the tool calls that are present with us are directly available under the manage MCP server section. So now let's just test the connection. So I have here Gemini 3.5 Pro and I am using the Geo offer for using Gemini Pro. So here I can also use the Claude models and even like GPT OSS model, but which is not that great. But I can get access to Claude Sonnet and Opus model directly. So right now, for example purpose, I'm using Gemini 3.5 Flash, and we'll ask it the test question like check the available data for Nifty using Volrix MCP. So let's see what it does now. So as you can see that it already pulled the data, and then we can see that uh, like the Volrix MCP is connected with Gemini IDE. So you can see what it did. So it went through the MCP servers and it made the call for available data, and then it pulled the data and it showed us the data that is available for Nifty. So now you can directly backtest your strategies directly through your Gemini Pro subscription using anti-gravity and Volrix MCP. Thank you, and let me know if you have any doubts.